Well, we saw soaking rainfall across the area yesterday. As expected, the heaviest totals occurred in our southeast locations. Kenton came in with the highest amount of nearly 1.25 inches. We had almost an inch in Wapakoneta. Here in town, Lima at the Allen County Airport, just under 9/10. And as you head north, those totals back off a bit. You can see Columbus Grove about 6/10 of an inch and just over a ½ inch of rain there in Ottawa. So looking at conditions this morning, we have much colder weather behind the system. A few flurries as well. Numbers are down not too far from freezing. 33 in town, 34 Crowdersville and Cairo this morning. Temperatures checking in at 32 now in Ada as the cool spot here. As we look at the radar, not seeing a lot here. There are some very light, fine flurries that are really too light for the radar to really see it. But there are a few flurries out there, and we'll have some flurries off and on for us today. And you notice the wind direction again, and it's no surprise that the temperatures are colder with that wind driving out of the north. Around 10 to 15 miles per hour, and that stiff north wind will continue to be with us today. So it's going to continue to add more of a chill. Those temperatures will feel more like the lower and mid-20s much of the day today. So we have this dip in the jet stream for now. However, it's not going to last too long. We see that cold weather with us today into our Saturday, but it starts to pull away from us. By Sunday, we're going to get back to some milder air heading into early next week, and most of next week will once again just be like a repeat from what we've seen with temperatures above average. So for today, it's colder out there with the clouds and our forecast models spinning out scattered snow flurries. Overall, little to no accumulation. At the most, if you get under one of those little bands, they're going to be very localized. You might get a dusting out of it today. Maybe your rooftop could get a light dusting, but that's really about it. I don't expect much of any impacts from that. Otherwise, it's just cold this afternoon. We're looking at temperatures near 30 degrees. And then overnight tonight, here comes some drier air. We're going to start to clear those clouds out of here. Looking forward to some sunshine in our Saturday. It's going to be a great looking day tomorrow. Just a nice blue sky. The winds will be lighter as well, about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So won't have too much of a wind chill to speak of, although the temperature will not be too warm, only around freezing or so. And we'll start tomorrow at 21. So that's a lot colder than what we've been used to. And we'll start Sunday at 21 as well, but end a bit warmer on Sunday afternoon. So as we go into next week, we continue to see that warming trend that we talked about. We'll see our next system bring in some rain Monday into Tuesday. A bit of a short break midweek, but it won't last long. We have another potent system around next Thursday. So the theme is active weather moving forward in this forecast. Checking out that 7-day, you can see the cool weather with us tomorrow with a high of 33. We're back to 41 on Sunday. Again, the weekend we're nice and dry, so if you are going to be traveling, no weather issues there. Then next week we bring in some rain by Martin Luther King Day afternoon, some scattered showers into our Tuesday. But look at the temperatures though, for the most part, we are still much warmer than where we would typically be for this time of year.
Yeah, people were worried. Active winter, but we're getting rain, not snow.
Active, but yeah, right now it looks colder the following week. So
okay.
maybe.
All right, we'll see. All right.